Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a repair solution with you today that one of our members nearly got caught on a car with. One of our members, and it was Dale from Garage One in New Zealand, so thanks Dale for sharing this one with us. But they got caught with the tracks exactly the same as this one, 2017 model. It was in their workshop and for some reason overnight, their fault, the battery went dead flat. The next morning they've charged the battery up and got it going again, but then from then on they had no instrument cluster display at all and warning lights, lots of communication fault codes, etc. because of the dead battery. They've tried a couple of things to try and clear codes, but they couldn't get the instrument cluster back up and running. So at the end of the day they tried a hard reset, as some people would call it. In other words, disconnecting the battery, again putting the terminals together, getting it shut right down basically, and then rebooting it with the new battery or fully charged battery back in the car, and they got everything back up and running again. So thanks for sharing that with us, Dale. Again, it's one of those things that sometimes we all get caught with something in the workshop and it can become a real hassle to us if we don't know maybe a little trick or two. So a hard reset on some of those vehicles, disconnecting it, just putting the two terminals together. The reason for doing that is to dissipate any capacitors that are in the system, so making sure that everything's down to a zero voltage, re-putting it back in again, and like rebooting a computer, the car's just sort of reboot up again and hopefully it all comes back online. So in his particular case, it certainly worked for the tracks that he had, so a big problem was averted by him trying that particular case out. So a big thanks to Dale for sharing that with us. Don't forget, if you are a member, to consult the website, have a look at the repair solutions, use Tech Tina to find what you're looking for. Just let her know you've got a Holden tracks, dead battery, now got no cluster operation. Let her go find that information for you. She'll make it a lot easier to find the information on the website. Hopefully that helps you out, and we'll see you next time.